So in the previous video, we have looked at IndexOf, which is an array method that gives you the index of an element. You can check up top if you have missed the video. Now, I have forgotten to actually talk about a certain functionality inside IndexOf. So if we have here an array and say, okay, array.indexOf, I don't know, 22, right? And we print this on the console and run it, you'll notice I get 1. That's because, well, the index of 22 is 1. Straightforward enough, right? But what happens if I have this 22 in multiple places inside the array? So if I have here, for example, another 22. Which one are we going to get? Are we going to get the first one or the second one? Or the third one or the last one? Well, if we run this again, you'll notice we still get 1. So IndexOf always gets the first occurrence of that element, right? That's really nice. That's just a feature of the IndexOf function. But what happens if you really want the last element? Well, there's a method that is very similar with the lastIndexOf. I'm not going to cover it in greater detail here because it really gives us the same functionality as IndexOf, but it actually returns the last occurrence of that element, the index of the last occurrence. And that array method is called the lastIndexOf, which is very self-explanatory, right? So if you say here lastIndexOf, it says returns the index of the last occurrence of a specified value in an array, right? This is where I'm reading it. And it still takes in the element and the second parameter as the index where to start searching for. So that's the same exact implementation. It's just going to iterate over the array in a from the end to start. Right, so you don't actually waste any sort of performance if you actually use it, right? If you really just want the last index of that. And if I try to run this now, you'll notice I get 3. So it's a really short video because most of the implementation you can find in the IndexOf array method video. So you can check up top again. And that's about it. If you have any questions, do leave them down in the comments below or on our Discord server. And well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye.